फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मेंटेजीनियस। आज हम सोल्व करने जा रहे हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। इसको सोल्व करना है। क्वेश्चन क्या है हमारे पास? प्रूव दैट। हमें क्या करना है? प्रूव करना है अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस साइन थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू सेकंड थीटा माइनस टेंजेंट थीटा। गाइस, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू फॉर द सॉल्यूशन? हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिखेंगे LHS इज इक्वल टू, वी हैव LHS as under root 1 minus sin theta divide by 1 plus sin theta. Now what we will do? We will multiply and divide by 1 minus sin theta under root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, and we will multiply it by 1 minus sin theta divide by 1 minus sin theta. दोनों साइड न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को 1 माइनस साइन थीटा से डिवाइड कर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस साइन थीटा होल स्क्वायर बाय 1 minus sine square theta. Guys, we know that 1 minus sine theta whole square under root. We know that 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. Now we will cancel out this square with this square root. We can cancel out. What we will get will be equal to 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta. Now what we have to do? We will write them separately. 1 divided by cos theta minus sine theta divided by cos theta. We know that 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta minus sin theta by cos theta is equal to tangent theta, which is equal to our right hand side. Hence, we have proved that what we need to prove. Question: cosec minus cot theta square is equal to, we have to prove that 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Guys, what we will do? We will just take left hand side, which is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Now we will, as we know, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, and the square will be as it is. Now we will take LCM, that will be equal to sin theta and 1 minus cos theta will be numerator and the square will be as it is. Now what we will do? We will just open up the square. 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. Now we have a trigonometry identity, that is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is our trigonometry identity. We will use this and put the value for 1 minus cos square theta in the place of sin square theta. The numerator will be as it is, whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta. We can write it as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta because there is whole square. Now divided by, now we have another formula a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b, a plus b. We will use this formula to open up this one, 1 minus cos square theta. We will write it as 1 square minus cos square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Now we can cancel out 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now what we will get? 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, which is our right hand side. We can write it as equal to LHS, RHS. Hence, we have proved that. Thank you, guys. We have to prove 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta under root is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Guys, what we will do? We will first write down our LHS. What is our left hand side is equal to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now what we will do? We will just multiply it by 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Because the value of 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is 1. Now, what we will get? It will be equal to 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta. Now, we know that 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Now, we can just write down the value for 1 minus cos square theta at the bottom. 1 plus cos theta will be as it is square by 1 minus cos theta, cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Now we can cancel out this square by this square root, where we will get 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Now we will write it separately. 1 by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Now will be equal to cosec theta plus cot theta, which is our right hand side. And guys, check, this is proved. Proved that. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe my channel.